guys, what's up? Today we are in a different amplua, different room, different place. Right now I'm still on my vacation in Sri Lanka, and I decided to do a little like a vacation tutorial, something very glowy, bronzy, something that you could wear on a beach photo shoot, because that's what I'm gonna do after. I just really wanted to put some makeup after almost 3 weeks not wearing any makeup, and just cover up all this burn nose and forehead and pimples and just look pretty at least for one day in my vacation. Let's do this, I guess. So I did wet my hair because I want my hair to be wet for this photo shoot. I don't know how it's gonna... Ow! My hair stuck in my nail. I'm gonna put my mouse ears, just to put the hair away from my face. I also don't have a proper mirror. This is the only mirror I have today, so we're just gonna work with this one. Unfortunately, I cannot use the big mirror in the hotel because there's a I need to film in front of the mirror, in front of the window. So yeah, I already did hydrate my face. I'm just gonna put some SPF right now because my face burns so fast in the sun, so I need to protect myself. And this is like a body SPF from Hawaiian Tropical, but honestly I don't care, it's body or face. I think you can use both ways because it's still SPF, and why nothing is coming out? It's still SPF and it works the same. So we're just gonna put on that right. So for my foundation, I'm gonna try out this Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter, and this is in Champagne. I never tried before like a liquid highlighter, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna mix with my foundation. This is the Wet n Wild. So I'm putting on the back of my hand the foundation, and I'll drop like a good amount of the highlighter. As I said, I want to be very glowy today. And let's use our small mirror. And I'm just gonna blend everything first with just a regular foundation brush. Kind of buff it in the skin. I'm gonna take a beauty blender and just run everything through with the beauty blender, so we don't have like a very cakey face and everything is nice and blended. I'm gonna take a KIKO Sculpting Touch Stick. Whoa, looks like something melted here. And I'm just gonna kind of sculpt a little with the skin. I will blend with the same foundation brush I used before. Then I will take the same liquid highlighter and just highlight. And I will blend that also with a beauty blender. That's a highlighter. I'm gonna take a little bit concealer, Tarte Shape Tape, just conceal a little bit my under eyes. It's so hard to see what I'm doing with my face right now. I'm just gonna set my under eyes with this same palette I always use from Wet n Wild. I'm sweating. and set a little bit side of my nose. And my forehead, like the center between my brows a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of bronzer, bronze up my face, warm up my face. I'll put a little bit of blusher also. I'm getting hot, real hot. I will put some blush. Okay, I'm wearing like a crop top. Okay, I'm not naked. Okay, gonna fix the brows. Also very lightly, nothing too dramatic. I hope they are bearable. I'm just gonna conceal them a little bit under because, I mean, this is something I cannot live without anymore. I need to conceal under my eyebrows. So now with the eyes, I'm just gonna take Jaclyn Hill's palette. This is my travel buddy. Destroyed totally, but still works amazing. I'm gonna use this in this color for my crease. Kind of fade it out a little. And then the other darker color with a smaller blending brush right in the crease. The same colors, I will just blend them on my lower lash line to give very warm and smoky effect. Now we're gonna take like a very bronzy color. I think this one is good. And just pack it on the lid with finger. No need to even give an effort to this one. And I'll take the same blending brush we used first and just blend everything together. Make it like nice and smooth. Okay, I will first highlight my inner corner with this color. And I'm gonna take like a darker brown with this one. Very little, the tiny bit on the tip of the brush. Just only on the lash line, kind of apply it. And then we're gonna apply some mascara. Then I'm gonna apply some lashes, my favorite of all time, Cocoa lashes in the style Misha. So very beautiful for everyday, very like everyday chic. I love them. I'm gonna put some highlighter. Even when we put the liquid, we still need some more. You wanna glow in that sun. Okay, I'll put KIKO 533 Smart Lip Liner. Yeah. And I'm gonna put some lip gloss. Actually, it's like a lip oil, but I really love it. Very hydrating. It's from Body Shop Shine Liquid in the color Orange Lollipop. I guess that's it. I am ready to go. Just need to fix my hair somehow nicely. So yeah guys, this is it. I hope you really enjoyed this quick summer glam video, bronzy glowy look, super glowy. Yeah, hope to see you in my next video next Sunday, and push thumbs up if you like this video. I have hair in my nail. Cool. Bye.